And get you as far as the row that seems to be only escalating with now, even when it comes to the Congress, that seems to be considering as far as taking up a privilege motion against Anurag Thakur. And Anurag Thakur's fiery speech yesterday that came under a lot of criticism on part of the Congress party, especially when it comes to the legacy of the Gandhi Parivar and the contributions that they have made. It seems that over that very issue, a privilege motion is what is now being considered by the Congress party to be moved in the House. A privilege motion, which is a procedural device that allows the members to bring to notice of the House any case of breach of privilege or contempt of the House that has taken place. The motion, which is usually moved with the permission of the presiding officer, which is the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla in this case, and if it is admitted, thereafter it is referred to the Committee of Privileges for examination as far as if there is any contempt or breach that has now taken place. On one side, we are looking at the live images that are coming in from the Lok Sabha today, again on as far as protests that has been taking place on part of the caste census debate that started from yesterday and seems to be continuing till today. We have Sabyasachi with us right now. Sabyasachi, information coming in that the Congress is considering to take up a privilege motion against Anurag Thakur.
Union Minister Anurag Thakur. Now we are seeing that at this particular time, the war of words is continuously escalating between the BJP and the opposition parties. In fact, yesterday we are seeing we are seeing that after the speech that has been made by Mr. Rahul Gandhi, we have seen that how Anurag Thakur had countered it. In fact, Anurag Thakur went to that extent to tell all the scams which has taken place under the UPA regime. Now, Mr. Anurag Thakur, in fact, said that regarding the caste, the same question which will be asked to every single citizen of the country when the caste census will be conducted. Now we have seen that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact, is backing Anurag Thakur. He shared the clip of Anurag Thakur's speech and he said that it is a must watch. See, at this particular time, in fact, the Congress says that the BJP is against the social justice in the country, and time and again the BJP proves that they are against the OBCs, against the SCs, against the STs and the minorities in the country. And in fact, the Congress says that Mr. Anurag Thakur spoke like a Thakur Sahab inside the floor of the House, and he should have spoken like a member of Parliament, and clearly it is very much disgusting. So this is the remark that is coming in from the Congress party, and that is the reason why they have decided to move a privilege motion against Mr. Anurag Thakur's speech that he made yesterday inside the Parliament.
All right, Sabyasachi, please to stay on with us. As far as the hangama continues, the protest even being witnessed in today's parliamentary proceedings in the Lok Sabha. Now, while the India bloc took umbrage in Anurag Thakur's casteist jibes, it is Rahul Gandhi himself who has repeatedly asked the people about their caste during even his Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. As recently, even when it comes to Rahul Gandhi's speech on the union budget, that he made a mention of traditional halwa ceremony to point out that there were actually no Dalits or Adivasis or OBCs in the budget making team. Sample the reactions that have been coming in on the questions in particular that have been raised by Rahul Gandhi.
प्लीज पोस्टर नहीं आने दूंगा
सर फोटो दिखाना गलत नहीं है सर, आपकी परमिशन लेके
परमिशन नहीं है आपकी।
सर मैं ये फोटो दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ, मैं समझाना चाह रहा हूँ।
नियम के तहत परमिशन नहीं है माननीय।
अच्छा सर, मैं ये फोटो समझाना चाह रहा हूँ सर। इसमें ये जो बजट का जो हलवा है सर, ये बट रहा है, और इस फोटो में सर मुझे एक ओबीसी अफसर नहीं दिख रहा, एक आदिवासी अफसर नहीं दिख रहा, एक दलित अफसर नहीं दिख रहा। मुझे देश का हलवा बट रहा है सर, और इसमें 73% का एक है ही नहीं सर। ये आप लोग हलवा खा रहे हो और बाकी देश को हलवा मिल ही नहीं रहा है। देश के एसेट्स में ओबीसी की कितनी हिस्सेदारी है, दलितों की कितनी हिस्सेदारी है, आदिवासियों की कितनी हिस्सेदारी है, देश के इंस्टीट्यूशंस में आदिवासी कितने, ओबीसी कितने, दलित कितने। मैं आपसे पूछ लेता हूं, इस कमरे में दलित कितने हैं? देखिए, ये मजा देखिए, इस कमरे में ओबीसी कितने हैं? हाथ उठा के दिखा दीजिए, देखिए मजा। नहीं, वो आप कैमरामैन है भैया, आपकी बात नहीं कर रहा हूं मैं, इनकी बात कर रहा हूं। तो ये सवाल है हिंदुस्तान के इंस्टीट्यूशंस में ओबीसी कितने, दलित कितने, आदिवासी कितने? मीडिया के आप, नाम क्या आपका? हाँ, आप शिव प्रसाद जी हैं। आपके मालिक का क्या नाम है? आपके मालिक का क्या नाम है? क्या नाम है? नाम बताओ, नाम बताओ। ओए मारो मत यार, मारो मत उसको, मारना नहीं है, मारना नहीं है। नाम बताओ उसका। वो ओबीसी है? नहीं। वो दलित है? नहीं।
Well, this is how, when it comes to the parliamentary proceedings, the arguments that were taking place, and especially the face-off over Anurag Thakur's speech that had taken place. Here is Akhilesh Yadav also taking a jab at Anurag Thakur, saying that Thakur was told that he is to be abused in parliament if he has to become a minister. That is the reasoning possibly that is now being given by Akhilesh Yadav.
मैं कन्नौज में उस मंदिर में गया था जिस मंदिर में जाकर के पहली बार मैं चुनाव जीता था, और मेरे वहां आने के बाद मंदिर धोया गया था। क्या बीजेपी, कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेता या किसी भी व्यक्ति की जात पूछ सकती है? हम और आप लोग कभी व्यवहारिक मजाक करते हैं तो उसमें चलो एक बार को कोई बात मजाक में चली जाए, लेकिन सदन में जो शब्द का इस्तेमाल हुआ था, मुझे तो ये लगता है अनुराग ठाकुर जी को कहा गया है कि 99 बार गाली खा करके आओ आप सदन में, तब आप मंत्री बनोगे।
Right, Sabyasachi continues to be with us. Sabyasachi, the reactions that have been coming in as far as Anurag Thakur's speech is concerned, it may have irked many in the opposition, including all of the India bloc. The reasoning that has been given by Rahul Gandhi is something that has been supported and seconded also by Akhilesh Yadav.
Well, absolutely. See, now the India Alliance are coming together as far as the speech made by Anurag Thakur is concerned. See, in the speech made by Anurag Thakur, when he mentioned that people who talk about caste census does not really know about their caste. So this particular statement has irked the opposition leaders. Now, yesterday, Rahul Gandhi, in fact, countered it, stating that no matter how many insults come his way, but the India Alliance will pass the caste census. Now, we have seen that this particular remarks has been seconded by Akhilesh Yadav, in fact, inside the parliament, when he straight away questions Anurag Thakur that how can he speak about the caste of somebody. So clearly the war of words is going to escalate. Now the India Alliance is coming together as far as the remarks made by Anurag Thakur is concerned. Now, in fact, on the other hand, the Congress is also planning to bring a privilege motion against Mr. Anurag Thakur's speech that was made yesterday. Simultaneously, Mr. Anurag Thakur has got the backing of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where Prime Minister himself has shared the speech of Mr. Anurag Thakur, stating that this particular video clip
and
should
it
be...
seems over that very same issue as far as the Prime Minister directly endorsing the speech that has been made by Anurag Thakur has irked many within the Congress as well. The Congress stepping up the attack on the